You fat, horrible, stinking little bastard. Bringing my perversion, fucking grassing on me, shutting me down. Why? Because you're a wrong'un. You are a wrong'un. You killed an old woman, right? You tried claiming disability benefits off your kids. You petrified that woman. She died a year later. You rubbed 125 grand off her through a whole entire year because you're a wrong'un. Yeah, you and your wife don't like. You talk some shit, mush. You talk fucking shit. Your wife is the biggest gobshite on fucking YouTube, and she looks like fucking Count Dracula's fucking saggy ass. Fucking on the bitch. Sick of them, man. Sick of them. He gets paid off all of these, right, on YouTube to go with his narrative, right, and to go with their narrative. You got to think this man was in with Tony Berger, Paul Ellis, right, who were two wrong-uns. But two wrong-uns don't make a right, do they? No, you're not right. You are a fucking weasel, an absolute weasel of a man. You're a horrible creature, right? And you should never, ever show your face round the world because you are disgrace. You get stuck in the tunnel, you fat bastard. and you're just a rat. You're a silly little fucking rat. You're a grass recording kids in Costa. Who the fuck records kids? Know what I mean?
Next level wrong.
You're on the fucking same page as Dickie Aiken. You are. You got battered off him. You went to the coppers saying you got done in and it gave you brain injuries. Why so you can claim? You've never had a stroke in your life. You're just a silly, fat bastard. A silly, fat bastard. And I'm on a rant here, you know. I'm pure rant. See you as well, bird shit. You are a nonce. You're a nonce. You're a T3-time rapist. I've seen it on your scene numbers in jail, right? And for Paul Ellis to back you up and say, look, I won't fucking... I won't go against you, Tony, if anything's like that's on your paperwork. Wrong'un. You're a nonce enabler. That's what you are, pizza face. And see your little dyke of a bird up in Scotland, man. I could have had that bit of poo-tang anytime. And what are you going to say about it, mush? It was all over the Cumbrian troop, man. Frothing from the gash, you little rat. Oh, and for you, Dickie, as well, you dirty little donut. You're a wrong'un. Your father's a wrong'un. Your father shagged fucking Cassie Heggie back in 1986. Fucking daughter. You're a sick cunt. And you and fucking Shadowbox are fighting in fucking Thailand, nonsense off each other. You're both a pair of little lady boys. I feel sorry for your mother, right, for after what we done, right? But at the end of the day, I'll apologise to your mum, right? But you're a nonce. You are a nonce. I've got 23 victims of you, and I will sprout every single one of them, because you're a rat. Yeah. And to Anton Lewis, you are a cunt. You are a cunt. You come onto YouTube thinking I am right. You're not even the Stig's fucking nephew. You're a liar. The Stig doesn't even know who you are. The Stig doesn't even know who you are, where you live, or anything like that. I have been talking to the Stig, and what you're going to do about it, mush, you're going to do nothing. You are going to do nothing. You can't even show your face. You're just some big fucking little rat who works on the estate. I don't sell smack. I've never sold smack in your life. Fuck up, mate. You got rounds in Blackpool. You got rounds in fucking Scotland. Right? And they're not even your rounds. You work for someone. You're just a workman. That's it. You're a rat. You're not going to do now. If you got any bottle, you would have cooked and called us out. Or what you going to say? Get to Liverpool. Get to Liverpool. Get to Liverpool. You don't live in Liverpool, lad. Remember when you decided to sign into my YouTube account and it come up Leeds, the second one come up Leeds, the third one come up with Leeds. You're a rat, lad. You're a rat. You're a proper rat. And I know what you do. I know what you do. You go tell people what they want to hear and they'll run with their narratives. You are in that many corners on YouTube, man. You need to get out, lad. You're a fucking scruffy little cunt. And you know what? Get your social services records out, lad. And what did you do to your ex-missus? Because I fucking know what you done to your ex-missus. When she got in touch with me, she got in touch with me about you. Because you battered her. You battered your ex-missus. And that's a fucking fact. You call yourself a man and you protect women and children on YouTube. You're full of fucking shit. Is that the reason why you're all fighting in fucking family court and that? Hey, you fucking rat. Hey, and see you ginger little fucking prick from Scotland as well, but you will get your day, and I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. I know about you being with fucking Davy Heslop's cousin and that. They'll go wrong, eh? Think Paddy Conroy's fucking gone against you and that, lad. And think he's lying constantly. Nah, lad. Nah. Paddy's a man. Paddy is a man. And you've got nothing. You sprout your mouth up in different countries like Decker, calling people out and that. Nah, you're a wrong one, lad. And see your wife, I know all about her as well. Hey, Colwyn Bay. Fucking South Wales, Operation Empire. Banker, wasn't she, when she ran to the fucking police? Getting put in witness protection up in Scotland. I know about her being in the BBC Panorama, as a fucking correspondent in crime. I know everything about all this, and this is what these people don't realise. I know everything about these people, and they need to realise. And it's wrong. They're all just grasses. And at the end of the day, humble dryer, why are you covering up for wrongs? You're covering up for wrongs. You're trying to ruin my life constantly. You grass me up. You send me to jail. Dave, you sent me to jail. Why? Because I nearly found out what you've all done. Oh, let's remember, I did find out what you've all done. Little non-trings and that. Little cyber bullies. They're all cranks. Absolute fucking cranks.